Morning everyone! Happy Sunday! So today is going to be a perfect day because one, I was able to sleep properly. I was really having a hard time sleeping this past few days and ayun. But luckily today, I think I had like 10 hours of sleep. Like mga 10 o'clock na ako nagising. And for old people like us, sleep is very important. So anyways, I'm glad na nakatulog ako na maayos. So for today, it's just really going to be a slow, typical day. Our plans are definitely priority one is si Daniel. Daniel has a vet appointment. Meron kami nakitang parang mga scratches ba? Or parang mga langib sa kanya. Feeling namin dahil nagkakamot siya or what have you. So that's one. So dapat dadalhin ko na siya sa clinic kaso cut off na raw. It's almost 12 noon. So, good thing tumawag ako bago ako pumunta. Else, sorry. Else, it's going to be waste of time. So now, I'm just going to do some grocery shopping muna. Sorry. So, grocery shopping muna tayo dito sa may salin. And then, by the time that we finish, most likely, dali ko na si Daniel para tapos na. And then after that, saka tayo mag-gym. So, good. Grocery with me, guys. And I'll show you what I usually shop for whenever I'm buying or bulking in sorry, madilim yan. So I'll show you guys what I normally buy when I am bulking, like in quantity and how much I usually spend. Grocery with me, guys. Oo, last time iba yung
No matter where you're from, around the world.
So, explain ko lang guys. So, ito yung mga usual marinades na binibili ko. Kulang siya ng isa. Meron pa akong isang favorite eater which is yung hickory. Pero wala kasi. Etong mga to, finactor into ng coach ko last time na nagda-diet ako. So, yung diet ko ngayon kasama na itong mga to. Kasi, yung nutrition facts siya sa likod. Ayan. Very important siya na masama sa diet mo. Para kasama siya sa calorie count, and sa fats, and what have you. And then second one is I'm also buying this. Ayan. So I use naman this one as an emergency just in case naubos ako ng pagkain o wala pa akong naluluto. And perfect example is for today. Kasi yun nga, ngayon pala ako mag-prepare ng food. So lahat ng mga pagkain ko ngayon, hindi ko pa siya prepare. So later, siguro during lunch, ito yung kakainin ko. So yun guys, mamaya naman pakita ko sa inyo how much usually it costs me per 4 to 5 days. Kasi usually ganun siya naglalast yung grocery ko. Hindi siya pang whole week talaga. So yung mga 3 kilos na ubos ka siya around 4 to 5 days. Okay, so yun, hintayin ko lang yung chicken ko kasi pinapa-prepare ko siya kay kuya. And when I do that, by the way, I asked him to cut it really small. So pakita ko sa inyo. So ayun si kuya, pinaprepare niya yung food ko. So I asked him to cut yung chicken into cubes. Mas talaga maliliit. Para mas madali siyang ma-marinate. Mas madali siya. If it's a big one or pag malalaki cut, mahirap siyang i-air fry. So, pinapalitan ko talaga. And guys, ito, naging promoter ng ng Century Tuna. So this one guys, this is na tuna. This is something new and so far okay naman siya. Masarap siya guys. So aside from the light na binili ko, I've also been trying this just to alternate. So parang isang light, isang dark. So, patanggal umay lang siya. Pero so far, try it guys. Let me know kung na-try nyo na to and how do you guys find it. Ako, I like it.
No matter where you're from, all around the world. It's one unique, one special vibe.
The bill is 1.8 pero normally nasa 1.5 lang yun talaga. The reason sa siya because we bought yung Daniel's chicken. So kaya ganun siya. Pero normally 1.5 siya for 45 days. Which is like how much? Around ganito siya mo. Around 400 to 500 per day. So parang per meal papatak siya parang 150. Not bad considering naman na healthy naman siya. So I would trade that anytime. fast food, what have you. And yun nga, kontrolado ko talaga yung number of calories na kakain ko. And by the way pala, let's say kakain ako sa labas for the same quantity of chicken or meat that I eat, usually yung mga ganun nasa 300 siya. So I think this is way cheaper talaga compared to fast food natin. So yun lang guys, uwi na ako kasi it's almost 12:30, so I think it's time to get dinner. Alright guys, I'm now here in our kitchen and I'm going to be preparing my food for next week. So yung kay Daniel, prepare ko na siya just a couple of seconds ago. Ito siya guys, nakasalang na siya. Ayan. So this is how it looks like. So, bali chicken giniling siya with veggies na hinalo namin. And then, for the food that I eat, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito siya. So, this is going to be the chicken breast fillets. Hinati ko na sila sa 3 container. And then, per container will have 1 marinade. So, ayan. Once I'm done, normally nga, nilagay ko na sila sa ref. And then, that's what I'm gonna be eating for the next 4 or 5 days. Depending on depending on kung lalabas ba kami or not. Okay, so yun lang guys. Prepare ko lang tong food and then I'll go na to the vet for Daniel's appointment. See ya! Okay guys, so ayan, doon na tayo preparing meal. Now we're going to go to the vet for Daniel's appointment. Saktong-sakto para pagdating natin doon, nasa first tayo sa pila. Para after noon, maka-gym na rin tayo. So ayan, let's go to the parking lot and see you guys later. Hey guys, so this is Daniel. This is my cutie patootie. Ayan. So, what we're going to do is that deworming tayo for today. Okay. Diba? Napakasweet niya. So, he's a 4-year-old Bichon. And then, meron kasi kami nakitang parang mga parang langib. Hindi namin alam if that is because nagkakamotsa or what have you. Pero, yun nga, pa-check na din namin sa doctor since ipapa-deworm na rin naman namin siya. So, yun guys, punta na kami ng vet. So yun guys, hindi na kami ngayon sa vet clinic. So lunch break na sila pero saglit na lang daw. A few minutes lang they should be open na. And it's good nga that we are the first one para yun tapos na agad. And okay. So ito yung gusto mo.
Kasi every month po kasi yung next guard for anti-tick. Yung saan po banda yung yung concern?
May mga nakikita-kita kami na nakakapakapa eh. Parang pag ginaganyan-ganyan pag ginaganyan-ganyan namin siya, ayan, kunyari mga ganyan-ganyan. So, hindi namin alam kung ano ba, init ba yan or something. Kasi ayun, parang
Based po sa presentation sir, no, para pong ringworm. Ayan po.
ringworm yan.
Yes po. So, minsan kasi areas ng bahay or pinapaliguan, hindi matutuloy ng maigi, nagkakaroon po ng ganyan. So, yung ringworm po sir na is fungal infection. Kung nakukuha naman po fungal, yun po yung nakikita natin sa food allergic reaction. Nangangamot siya ng todo.
Okay, sige.
Si Bella, ma'am.
Hindi, bawal ka na ng beef sa kachimkin.
8.4 pa.
Hala.
Perfect.
Sorry, baby.
The spectra, 8.4.
Baby, sorry, hindi ka na pwede ng beef and chicken.
Kaya pwede i-spoil muna. Pag wala na lang sa balik mo. Hindi rin. Hindi na talaga. So far sir, wala namang other concern. Yun talaga yung
Yun lang. O, napansin lang namin yun so far.
So, tanggalin muna natin yung root cause of tapos observe na natin.
Yeah. Akala ko ba naman?
Nasa 6
Graduate ka na sa beef and chicken. Ganyan. Akala ko pa naman graduate ka na sa dog food, anak.
550 po.
O, paano ba yan?
Okay na yan,
Bawal
Dre.
pala yung beef and chicken sa'yo ulit. Sorry.
Si ma'am na maglalagay.
Sorry, sinadok nagsabi. Hindi ako. Ang sarap pa naman ng beef and chicken, no? Doc, thank you. Bali, ang next na niya, Doc, is eto, deworming saka... Ano to, sir?
Yung anti-tick and flea.
Okay.
So yung binigay natin ngayon kasi every month po kasi yung next guard spectra, sir. No? So yung next niya is deworming.
Thank you.
Team and organization the people and culture head of we want to tell you that for me the most brilliant leaders are the ones who have the know nothing state.
Si Ivy, makahanap ako. Meron kami sa English.
Lalo-lalo na if you don't have a criteria of behavior that this person has over. Mag-group case study tayo. Mamimili kayo. Ito pa process.
Lahat?
Lahat.
Mag-endorse lang kayo na mag-endorse. Or why at home. Yun yung importante din. What we're going to do is, quickly lang, what is the job opening and what
And you can see that it's automatically tracking. Here's some
Hey guys, good afternoon. How are you? So, for today, it's going to be a very eventful day because medyo marami tayong ganap sa office. So, as we speak, I am in transit going to the office. Pero don't worry guys, naka-stoplight naman tayo. But first, before going to the office, I'm gonna be dropping by Fujifilm Philippines muna. Simply because, good news, yung lens ko na 23mm, na-repair na rin siya. So finally, I can get it. Wala kasing parts na available dito sa Philippines. So I had to wait for it to get repaired. So I'm just going to be picking that up before I head to the office. So, ayun, aside from that, what's up? Etong shift ko talaga right now, which is the mid-shift, 2 to 11, it's really a challenge for me. Nahihirapan talaga akong matulog, guys. Siguro in a week, there will be 2 to 3 days na paputol-putol yung tulog ko. I wasn't able to sleep really well, and that is a issue for me. Most especially now kasi I'm bulking, diba? And for me to be able to bulk and grow my muscles, I need to be able to rest consistently. And alam mo yun, this is kind of challenging this year because of the shift change, but it is what it is. I mean, it's needed because the business needs it, so adjust na lang ako. And again, not complaining, nagkukonto lang naman ako sa inyo guys. Aside from that, things, I feel, iniisip ko kung overwhelmed ba yung term. Not really overwhelmed naman kasi I know how to manage, but ang dami na rin ganap sa work. Work is working. Ang dami na talagang ganap sa work, guys. So I need to be able to manage my workload, my time, my priorities, and what have you. Kasi kung hindi, mo overwhelm talaga ako, guys. I think ang very important sa akin, most especially now, is knowing to prioritize things. Kasi nga, ayun, mahirap talaga siya, guys. Kasi ang dami ng projects, global pa sa office, diba? In any case, ayun, later on, bakit ba ako pupunta sa office? By the way, it's a Wednesday. I normally don't go to the office on Wednesdays. Usually Mondays and Fridays ako pupunta sa office. But for today, I'm going there because we have a recognition event. So, ayun, excited ako for that one. It's our quarterly town hall and recognition event. So, I'm excited to see my team, both Asia Pacific and America's team. And later on, I'm gonna be bonding with them. Most especially yung America's team natin. Kasi I only get to see them once a month. And yun nga, medyo challenge kasi. Syempre, kasi nag-adjust sila ng shift nila, diba? Kasi night shift sila. So, ayun. I'm looking forward to that one. And in the meantime, guys, drive muna tayo sa office. I'm a bit sleepy, by the way. Sorry. I'm really trying to perk myself up. I'm a bit sleepy kasi nag-workout muna ako before driving to the office para at least, tapos na siya. And then, ayun, sana mag-pick up pa yung energy ko and definitely I'll grab a coffee kasi kailangan ko talaga siya, guys. Ayun. So, yun lang, guys. Drive muna ako sa office and see you guys in a bit.
Ito sir yung parts na yung pwede for Merlin po na magkaroon tayo ng concern.
Okay guys, we're now here in Fujifilm Philippines and finally I'm so glad na nakita ko na uli yung lens ko. Tcha-chan! So this is the 23 f1.4. Ang tagal ko itong hinintay. Ang tagal ko ito. Actually nalimutan ko rin siya. So funny story, matagal ko na itong dinala dito kaso nalilimutan ko talaga siyang i-repair. Tapos yung huli pang email nila napunta pa dun sa spam ko so hindi ako nakapag-reply agad. But in any case, I'm glad that it's here. So ayan, finally magagamit ko na uli siya. I so love this lens kasi ang liit niya guys. Siyempre, compared to the 16 to 55, mas maliit to definitely. And ayun, ang nangyari kasi dito guys, I was preparing for a photo shoot before and then nalaglag na lang siya yung nasa bag. So ayun, nakalas tong nasa dulo. But I'm glad that it's back. So ayun, test ko muna siya guys. Palit na ako ng lens and see you in a bit. So ayun guys, this is now the 23 millimeters guess. Yeah, sobrang tight ko lang. I had to adjust pa pala the aperture kasi nga para lang hindi tayo overexposed. But then again, I so miss this lens kasi ang gana talaga. So ayun, I'm glad that it's back. And now, i-check ko lang din kung pwede kong ipa-repair to guys kasi etong yung rubber niya medyo nag-loose na. So tingnan ko kung may stock sila. Alright, yun, thank you, and I'll be going into the office after this. So, see you guys in the office. Okay, so guys, pakita ko lang din sa iyo yung mga parts na nasira before and rin-replace nila. So, naalala ko tuloy. So, ito siya. And medyo maraming parts yung nabasag kasi. So, ayan, puro mga electronic pa naman. So, that's why they had to replace it. Again, I'm glad that okay na siya. So, ayun, I'm just settling the bill. Pikit mata na lang guys. But it's better than of course getting a new lens. Ayun guys, so super happy customer tayo na nakuha ko na yung lens, napa-repair ko na rin itong 16-55. Napalitan na yung rubber gasket niya. So, ayan, tcha-chan! Wishlist ko na lang is, yun, magkaroon na sila ng trade-in program for the newer lens kasi sobrang gaan, ang laki ng difference nung gaan nung bagong 16 to 55. But in any case, thank you Fujifilm Philippines for helping me. Ayun, balik na ako ng office. So guys, before I go, gusto ko lang pakita to sa inyo. Guys, this is Fuji XM5 and this is abot ba? And this is my camera. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung difference. So, sobrang liit nito. Sobrang laki nito. Guys, sobrang gaan niya. As in, sobrang gaan niya. Parang I want. Charot. Parang I want kahit meron akong ganito, no? Pero ang saya kasi. Ang liit niya talaga, guys. Pero ang problem kasi nito, wala lang siyang IBIS. So, kung maglalakad-lakad kayo, mag-vlog, baka lang hindi siya ideal. Pero, kung gusto niyo na may IBIS naman, ito, maliit pa rin siya. Ayan. Ito naman yung XS20. So, this one is recommended ko rin siya. It's smaller and lighter than the XH2S. Pero, meron na pala tong IBIS and may open gate. So, honestly, kung meron man ako i-recommend, kung wala kayong budget, I mean, nagtitipid kayo, sorry naman sa walang budget, XM5, pero kung gusto nyo na may IBIS talaga, guys, XS20 is the way to go. Ayun, so I have to go na guys, and see you. Okay guys, so I'm feeling parched na. So bumili lang muna ako ng coffee even though I know bawal to sa akin. Pero please, let's be happy lang today. So having salted caramel frap with extra espresso. Kasi inaantok talaga ako guys. Again, ang hirap talaga matulog at this time. So ayun, I'm gonna go to the office na and see you.
Track it, but go, don't know what's happening to me. Wanna be with you again and again. I wanna hit that rewind. I don't know, I don't want
Birthday mo, tita Cory.
everything you give to me is magic. It's magic. If every day was on repeat, my life would be so romantic. It's true. I'm caught in my head about you. I'm done with the things you do. This moment is so good. I hope I get deja vu.
That would be
I hope I get deja vu.
Ang pretty niya guys. Mas kaga. Ang parang pretty niya guys.
Deja
Guys.
vu. DJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. DJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. Moments of adrenaline.
Okay guys, so we're now here in Jeonju, sa BGC. So we're going to have our team dinner. So, I'm so happy na magkasama ako tayo kasi today because yun nga, hindi naman ito lagi nangyayari. Itong town hall kasi namin, it only happens once in a quarter. So, I'm just so glad that we is here. Of course, we miss Arman. Arman is my teammate for the heat action class. So, ayun, meron siyang family emergency that he needs to attend. Pero for sure, if he's here, they'll be more than happy to join us. Anyways, ayun, sagot ko some portions of the meal. Sabi ko lang, but I'm sure mag-enjoy naman yung mga yun. Kain lang kami guys, and I'll show you my Hey guys, good evening. So I'm back here in the office. Time check, it's 8:30 pa din akong umuwi tapos ng coding. But actually, that is not the reason why I stayed this late. Sabi ko nga, I really wanted to be able to spend this time together with my bagets in the night shift because, you know, hindi naman sila laging andito sa office. So ayun, so I really wanted to maximize this opportunity to get to know them, to bond with them, and I'm happy na sumama rin yung APAC team ko. We ate at Jeonju kanina, as you can see. And by the way, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say I'm sorry, but siguro hindi na lang ako nag-take ng a lot of footage simply because yeah, I really want to build meaningful relationships with them. Unahin ko pa bang mag-vlog, diba? So ayun, I hope you guys understand. But overall, you know, we had a very nice dinner. So ayun, sorry, may nagtanong sa akin na associate. But in any case, what I was saying is that ayun, we had a very meaningful time naman together. And I really want to do this more with them pa. Kasi syempre, our associates are for me, are our number one assets of the company. So ayun lang, I'm gonna go home na. Hopefully hindi na traffic guys. Because I'm so full. I ate a lot. I'm so full. I'm sleepy. I'm not tired, I'm sleepy. Sobrang dami ko kinain. Anyways, thank you if you're here with me up until this point in the vlog. So, thank you guys. Bye!